Okay. The other day I did a tutorial, and they said that they weren't able to see some of the things I was doing, so because it's so small. So I'm going to try to do it on bigger thread. I'm using actually yarn and stuff, and bigger beads. So don't laugh at me because my beads don't match. I can't find any that are larger or that are all the same kind. So I'm going to upload this to YouTube and post a link or something like that on my YouTube channel. But what I'm going to be doing is using these larger beads. Okay, I hope that most of you understand basic crochet. Make a little slip knot. And then this one is going to be 8 around. So I'm going to be doing 8 stitches to begin with. 3, here's your 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 for the rise. So you have 8 on there. And now you just go back and do a double crochet for each one. I guess it's called a double crochet. Pull through 1, pull through 2. And go to the next. Pull through 1, pull through 2. Pull through 1, pull through 2. Now there are 2 different styles of beaded crochet ropes. This is just one of the styles. This is the one I prefer. Of course, when you're doing this on the smaller threads, it's going to be a lot less noticeable, these gaps and different things like that. Pull through 1, pull through 2. And do that all the way down. For the final necklace, though, I use generally, or bracelet, I generally use size 11 beads. You can, of course, use smaller if you want, or larger. Okay, so now that you have 8 stitches backwards now you go through the first. Make sure you're catching both loops. Don't grab the tail. Well, technically you could really, but I don't like to. Makes it too thick. Okay, so again, now you count that doubles as 1 loop. 1, and pull through 2. And then keep repeating that the whole way around. This is going to be your foundation as far as what, and it will help you space later. Be a little bit awkward at first. What am I doing here? Pull through 1, pull through 2. What the heck? Pull through 2, pull through 1, or 1 and pull through 2. Pull through 1, pull through 2. So if you know crochet, you know pretty much where to pick up on the next threads, or where the next threads will go. Okay, now that you're starting to run out of thread here, you can see how it's come down. Just move your beads down. And yes, when you have all your beads strung on what you need, it'll be a lot of beads that you have to move. So just keep that in mind. Be patient. not going to keep repeating. Pull through 1, pull through 2. I know I wouldn't want to hear that. And then you just do this a couple times around until you find you have enough to be able to hold on to, because you're going to need to use this to hang on to once you start putting the beads on. And then once you find you have enough area that you feel confident that you have something to hang on to, that's when you can start adding the beads. So you're going to bring your beads down. Okay, so you're going to go through, loop over, bring your bead down, loop over, pull through 1, pull through 2, and on to the next. Go through, bring your bead down, loop over, pull through 1, pull through 2. Now, because you have to remember there's 8 beads, so you make sure you have 8 holes all the way around. Pull through 1, pull through 2. And if you don't have 8 holes, you can just double up on one at this beginning point. Oops, I forgot to loop over. Pull my bead down. Pull through 1, pull through 2. And I'm not doing a lot of beads on here. I'm just showing you more or less the technique on how to do this. Because once you do this and get this under your belt, you'll know how to do the whole rest of the bracelet, because the whole rest of the bracelet is exactly the same. You're more or less doing only one stitch the entire way. Pull down some thread, or yarn if you want in this case. I know people are going to be writing, that's not thread. Pull through 1, pull through 2. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, there you go. You're back to the beginning now. So now, in front of each one of these beads is a stitch that you're going to be going through. Makes it very simple. See it right there? Go through, pull some down. And because I did alternating, you're going to also know because what color bead you're going into. See, there's gold. We'll be going in front of the gold. So now there's, see, right there, the very next one. silver. Pull through one, pull through two. And all you do is the same exact stitch the whole way through. Now if you've strung your beads correctly, and even when you do the patterns, when you start getting a little bit more advanced, you're going to start being able to see exactly where it goes because of the bead in front of it. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm almost down to the very last here. I've gone around 3 times now. See, this is why I don't need to show you the whole thing, because it's the same exact stitch the whole way through. Okay, last bead. Okay. So now imagine that's the whole way around. I know you can't tell too much, but look at it. See, there's the diagonal. There's the... all the way straight around. Then if you want, you can, of course, go through and make another little ending cap if you'd like. Pull through one, pull through two in each one of the... Of course, I'll start stepping down if you'd like. I want to hear from the comments, either on the YouTube video or... oh, I've already gone to that one. Either on the YouTube video or here on TikTok. So... oops. There you go. So imagine this probably 100 times thinner. But as you can see, it made the little indent there again. But see the pattern again, see? See the silver on a diagonal? That's what happens once you've done it correctly. I'm going to see if I can find some more beads that will be an appropriate size and all the same size to be able to show you more in size, but I'll show you maybe smaller next time. Okay.